right, I'm really liking this guy so far. But we're going to go ahead and add a special little effect. Remember, I had a flower right there. And in order to make that flower come up, I'm going to create a trigger. And creating a trigger is the easiest thing ever. Click on the hidden layer and drag it over here to the triggers panel. So I'm going to drag flower to the triggers panel and then click in the box and give it a letter. I think F for flower makes sense. All right. And then down at the bottom, you have the option to latch. Latch means that when you press your button, it stays there until you press the button again. If you don't latch it, then it only stays there while you hold down the button. So here I go. I've got this on record. I'm going to press F and see if I don't have it latched. That's what it just blinks unless I'm holding down the button. Now I'm holding down the button. Okay. If I press on latch and then I come over here, then when I press F, it stays there. And it'll just chill there until it doesn't need to chill there anymore. Okay. So that's how that one works. Very, very simple to do a trigger. And you could do a trigger for all kinds of things, not just showing objects, but that's the simplest thing. So you want to give it a hat. You could draw a hat and then have a trigger that when you press a certain button, a hat gets on there. Just make sure that whatever it is put with whatever you need it with. So like if there was something that was going to be on top of the head, I probably need to put it in the head group. So just keep in mind about that. This one here, the flower is just sort of out there, so I just stuck it out on its own. And that's pretty much it. That's how you add a trigger to show a hidden layer.